Kia ora tātou. Welcome to Te Teko. This is our new Ōmataroa Orchard. So this is a new 10 hectare breed kiwi fruit orchard. It's a partnership between Ngāti Awa Group Holdings and 3 of our Ngāti Awa entities. So Moirangi Kerehua Rātahi Trust, Kiwi Nui Trust and Iukatia Trust. We're here today. This is the second year that the orchard's been in operation and we're preparing for our first harvest next year, so it's an opportune time to bring our whānau together to talk about the history, what's been happening the last few years, and most importantly where we're going together. No mahalo. We invested in kiwi fruit because it gives us diversification across our land-based assets. So across Ngāti Awa we have our dairy farm just up the road here in Ōmataroa. We've got our Ngāti Awa farm, so when you drive over Whakatane to Ōpe, the farm there, we've got our forests, which are Rotoehu and Northern Boundary. We've got our fisheries assets, and now we're diversifying into kiwi fruit. So Ngāti Awa itself is one of 3 iwi partners in Mātai Pacific Kiwi Collective. So that's a really big Māori development. That might be one of the biggest Māori kiwi fruit collectives in the country. So that's 100 hectares, which is based in and around Pungakawa and Te Puke. So that's between Ngāti Awa, Te Aroha Group Holdings and Ōmataroa Corporation. Here in Ōmataroa, it's more of a localised approach with our Ngāti Awa entities. And it also recognises that all along here in the Rangitaiki Plains, we've got other rōpū that are in kiwi fruit too. So Tiaki Trust is just up the road here, with Te Waiwhero Māori Investments Limited are just further down the road. Ōmataroa is across a couple of paddocks. So it's an area that's got a strong growth potential in terms of kiwi fruit, and we want to be part of that. The Rangitaiki is well suited to kiwi fruit. It's a high employer of our people, so it's both an opportunity and a challenge to get our people into this industry that we think's got a real strong growth potential.